RMP just dropped off shingles. For the roofing, I got this new blade. It's got two blades in one, flat blade and a roofer's blade right there. Pretty nice. Push this little lever to the left or right and those things pop out when you push up, and you just pop one in. I'll put a link in the description if you guys need one of these. It's great for roofing. And by the way, this knife paid for itself because you get 2 free blades of each one. And if you buy like a 4-pack of these roofing blades, they're like 8, 9, 10 bucks. So pretty much you get the knife for free. Alright, so the other day it rained and there was water still getting under this roof here. And what I think it's going in the chimney, because this is kind of attached real close to the bathroom. It's going under the chimney flashing. Also, the valley was not covered here and the water was going up under the drip edge. That could have been causing some leaks too. So I'm going to keep an eye on that after I do the roof up here. And the flashing, I got to redo all this flashing. Flashing's all wrong on the chimney, so that's probably where it's leaking, because it's not leaking from the work I did. And it's actually been leaking for quite some time on this house. So whatever it is, it's either a siding issue, chimney issue, or up in here. And you can see we got all our shingles up here. There's 51 bags, bundles of shingle, 16, almost 17 square. Okay. And all the underlayment has been laid down last night. I finished it up in the rain. It was raining and I was working in the rain, so that was fun. You can see up here all the underlayment's down. It's just the only thing we got to do now, I got to do, is finish the tear off on the other side. Alright, you can see how much more I got to do here. I'll tear off all this here. I had to trim the tree back some because it was branches way up on the roof here. So this is the last bit of it. There's a valley there, there's a valley here. So yeah, this is a very complicated roof. It's high pitch, a lot of valleys, a lot of hips. It's pretty crazy. So, and a lot of this plywood is rotten. Like right here, it looks like it's pretty bad right here. So we might have to replace a piece here. Might look easy, but it's not. Definitely is not. Pretty much rappelling off this thing. Get the shingles off. And then you keep tripping up on your rope. Try doing this in the rain. It's not fun. I mean, it's fun, but next day your back's hurting. Anyways, guys, you get the gist of what I'm doing. So I'm gonna stop recording right here because these batteries only last like an hour. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be rappelling off of this. I got a little L clamp up there, or a triangular clamp, I don't know what they're called, anchors. I'm gonna go and tackle all this. Oh guys, I wanted to talk about roofing company that we had inspect this home. I don't know how many square footage the roof is. Probably, I know it's over 2,000. Well, they quoted $28,000 just to do the top roof, not including the garage. And now after doing it myself, I kind of understand how they can get away charging people that kind of money. Because if you look at it, I mean, I'm dangling here 20, 30 feet off, 30 feet up in the air on a harness. You know, it's pretty dangerous. Yeah, another guy quoted this house at $18,000 just to do the top. That's a little better than 28, but still, considering labor, I mean material is about 3 to 4 grand on a roof like this, depending on what shingles you buy. So it can get very expensive. But much respect to people that do this for a living. A lot of respect for roofers. And if you're scared of heights, there's no way you'd be able to do this roof. You have to just kind of trust your equipment, buy new all new harnesses and stuff. Don't use old stuff you can trust, because all it takes is one little mistake and then you're falling off the roof and kill yourself. And by the way, I'm not using a harness that's meant for roofing. This is like a climber's harness for climbing, rock climbing or tree climbing. That way I can put the harness in the front rather than in the back. That's working for me, but do what works for you. Whatever that may be, that keeps you safe and comfortable. I have a rappelling experience from high school. When I was in ROTC, we did rappelling at Camp Pendleton in California. I always thought it was fun. So to me, this is actually fun, climbing up here, dangling off this roof. I got 4-inch nails, I believe that's what they are, 2 on each side of the triangle mount up there, and 2 screws, 1 on each side, and it seems to be holding me just fine. You could put more screws if you feel like it, but to me that's what I use. Okay, again, I'm gonna turn off this camera. It's gonna run out of battery, and I got a lot more stuff I want to show you guys up here. Alright, ran into a spot where there's quite a big hole here. It's a good, I don't know, 3.5 inches, 4 inches here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go to the rafters, cut it out to each rafter, and put in a little sliver of new wood there. Because yeah, that's a big hole. You don't want that. Alright, almost done here. The very bottom. Quick note on this particular side, I want to start my shingles up the valley here first. This is going to be overlapped up here, just like you see, and then I'll put my extra shingle going up for the valley, and I'll stop the shingles going this way on that shingle. Just keep in mind that I want to go up this way because this is the shorter side, so we're going to go up and then go the other way.